this video, I will show you step by step how you can make up to $10,000 per month just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, so as you can see over here, I made $195,110 in commission just by using this method that I will share with you for free. Okay, and as you can see in my balance over here, I have $9,210 available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and I will still get more commission in next few days. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Just scroll down, go to community, click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission for those services, and you can make a lot of money with Fiverr affiliate marketing if you follow those steps. Okay, what you need to do next, just click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you need to do, put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to choose a good service and profitable service that people are searching for, that you can promote on YouTube to earn commission. Okay, so how you can choose good services and profitable services? What you need to do, you need to go to your YouTube homepage. Just open your YouTube homepage like this. Okay, so first, why I choose YouTube? So did you know that YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors? That's really a big number. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products, topics on YouTube, and you can get so much traffic from YouTube. I'm following people who are making thousands of dollars every single month or even every single day just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, you can get so much traffic from YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Okay, after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. Okay, so anyways, go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask question. So for example, I will ask how to, let's say for example, how to create whiteboard, and as you can see, here you go. So for example, how to create white, let me finish this, how to create white, okay, white, how to create a whiteboard, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to create whiteboard animation videos, how to create whiteboard animation video in Canva, how to create whiteboard animation videos using AI. Those people who are searching for this, let's take this topic, how to create whiteboard animation video. What I will do, I will go back to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search. I will search for whiteboard animation. Okay, I will scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who have lots of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews and they are providing good service, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, I will choose, okay, let me see, this one looks really good, like this one is top rated seller. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so copy his profile link like this. Okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, before we do that, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, click on his video. Let's check his video. And what you need to do next is you need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, let me show you.
Hello, thank you for visiting our gig. So you are excited to tell your audience about your product, service, or...
It's really looking good. Double click, save this video to your laptop. Okay, click on save, and I will name it, for example, animation video, like this. And what you need to do next, you need to go to Canva. Okay, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and you can use it for free, and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload, click on upload file, and upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, open, and here you go. Click on your video. Your video will be over here. Your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background. Click on text. Scroll down. Choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Just click on any text style you want to use. I will delete this part and make it, I will decrease the font size of this text like this. Double click and write this sentence: check link. Okay, let me see. Check, okay, check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description. Make it like this. It's super easy. Okay, and they will put this text here. Click on elements and click over here on shape. Okay, click on color and choose black color. Okay, and put this shape here like this. And here you go. Check, okay, let me see. Check link in my description. And that's it. Okay, let me see.
Hello, thank you for visiting our gig. So you are excited to tell your audience about your product, service, or cause. You need a media which can explain.
That's really good. As you can see, the video is good. So what you will do next, you will click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, upload this video, copy this title, how to create whiteboard animation videos. Just copy and paste. Copy this title like it is exactly. Don't change or add anything. Copy how to create whiteboard animation videos. Put this title in for your video on YouTube. Go to your YouTube description and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, and go back to YouTube and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Okay, and that's how we can promote affiliate links on YouTube. If you keep using this method, if you promote a lot of affiliate links, you can really make a lot of money, and you can use this method, use YouTube search to find a profitable services that people are searching for, so you can increase your commissions and make more money. Okay, so for people who don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, watch my video in my description below. I will leave a link of a video showing you step by step how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how you can put those affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.